In front of me is ZTE Blade V50 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now grey. That means that location is off, so to turn it on, click on the same one. You can always go into settings as well. Scroll down and click on location section. Then tap on this switcher next to use location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!